The daughter of the second eldest sister of Auntie Freddy. Like Auntie Shoni, I also graduated from St. Louis University. During the time when I was here in Baguio, I really thank Auntie Freddy because alam niyo naman, basa, sometimes kailangan ki relative to support her because we are alone here in Baguio. So I'm very thankful to Auntie for all her help. She was and she is up to now very kind, helpful, financial, and everything. Kung may problema ka, she's always there. And kami magkakapatid, we are very thankful for her because at least we were able to finish our studies in the same university, in St. Louis University also. At kaya I'm taking this opportunity to thank her. Thank you, Auntie, for everything, for all your help, for your love, for your support. If not for you, we're not able to be where we are now. In behalf of our family, my brother Emo is here, and my husband, Binardi Guzman, and my relatives, we would like to thank you sa lahat ng nagagandang sinabi nyo kay Auntie. We're very proud of her, and we will forever love and help her whatever her predicament will be. We will always there to support you, Auntie. And I know na with all your sacrifices, you will have a very, very good life. Thank you, Auntie, and God bless you more and more. Thank you sa lahat.